Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm gonna unbox Mivi Roam. Let's unbox it. Before we start unboxing, let's have a look on the box. Here mentioned that it has 5-watt peak output. Let's flip the box. Here mentioned that it gives you crystal clear sound with bass, and it also comes with 6 hours of playback time if you put volume at 70%. It is waterproof because it comes with IP67 rating, and true wireless stereo means if you have two Mivi Roam speakers, you can connect them together, which gives you stereo type sound quality. Let's unbox it. Here itself warranty card. It gives you 1 year of warranty, and the Mivi Roam speaker, which is in red color. It looks premium. Let's keep the speaker side. Check what we get inside the box. Here one aux cable. Here's a USB cable which comes with Mivi branding, and it is manual. Let's keep this side and have a look on the speaker. Let me power on this device. Here's the button. And it's connected. This is volume up and down button, and it's pause and play button. It's power on button, and here one charging socket and one 3.5 mm jack. Let's check the sound quality. I'm gonna start playing music, volume at 30%. At maximum volume. Hey guys, that's it for all. I hope you enjoyed my videos. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.